Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, the daily candle is finished here. And that's what I told you here before. I told you it's going to stay here like that, sideways here. Then after that, it's going to go another going up. But that depends on what the weekly candle how it's going to end up, because as you see here, guys, what we got here, we still have here that inside bar here in daily. So till now it hasn't been broken down and it hasn't been broken up. So over here in the daily there is nothing yet. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring to us, guys. And here in my chart, as you see it, we still the same, guys. We still sideways here. As you see, it came a red candle. And next to it, a green candle. That means there is no falling down. And tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, they is going to stay here. Till Monday, maybe we're going to see a big dependent the market. If it's going to go higher, in Monday, you're going to see a falling down, like how it happened here in that candle. That red one, by the way, it used to be in Monday. So in Monday, we're going to see the same thing, guys. It's going to go against what the market is going to do. So if it's going to fall down, you're going to see a green candle here. If it's going to go up, you're going to see a red candle. Then after that, it's going to go higher, guys. So here, tomorrow and after tomorrow, there is nothing special, guys. Only the market is going to stay sideways. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you, my friend. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, every day, guys, we're putting for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin market doing. It will not take you that much, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be the first one to get notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So here, as we said, guys, in the daily, there is nothing here yet. And in the weekly till tomorrow, I'm going to show it to you. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, our indicator, guys, as you see it came here, it came down. And if you remember what else we said before, we said it's going to give us either 3 in the top like that, then after that it's going to drop, or it's going to give us 3 down and 2 in the top. Then after that you're going to see it going up. I think you get the picture, guys. So till now it's showing a break here. Let's hope from here we are going to go higher, guys. And I got some news for you today, guys. All the European market today, they closing green, plus the options, they are still all of them. The VIX is going to close above 30, guys, that week. And you know that week is very, very special. Is going to come in it a lot of news. So till tomorrow I'm going to come back to you, guys. So here there is nothing special, guys. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Yes, I'm talking to you. Go ahead and do it, my friend. Please smash the like button, helping us, guys. You done it? And write with it a comment, please. You know that channel without you and the other it can growing up, guys. So please support us by just smashing the like button. It will not take you that much, my friend. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Let's go now to see the 4 hours, guys, what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what we used to have here, like that. We said we got here a down channel, and we said when it's breaking here, we need to enter short. And I told if it's breaking up here, you need to enter long, guys. It's breaking here. Some people I told him to enter here long. But here, guys, what you see in here. Look here. What the one done, guys, for you here. He couldn't come and break for you the last high here. It just came to that level here. And those candles here, they're showing a rejection. So now, for us to know it is going to go higher, it needs to come to break for us that last low, which is here. For another story, from here, it's going to give you like that, a double top. Then after that, it's going to drop, guys. Yes or no? That was me being telling you. And here we got now a price action, guys. Look at it. Here, it tried to give you here a wedge or a triangle, guys. Yes or no? So now, either they want to fall down to here again, because as I told, it's going to stay sideways tomorrow and after tomorrow, like that. Then it needs to break up for us to know it's going to go higher, or it's going to break down for us to know it's going to fall down, guys. Yes or no? It's very simple, guys. Look at it. It's very, very, very clear wage now here. Now, what should we do, guys? Here in the 4 hours, there is nothing to do. And in my chart, what I got me, let me show it to you. In my chart, we got here, the top of that channel, the down channel, which is being broken here. The market, it came back down. He tested here again, and now he's going up. It's need to show us, it's need to break the last high, which is here, that one, guys. It's need to be broken. If the market, it came upward like that, 100% you're going to see the Bitcoin at 23k, guys, or 25k. Till now, in that level where we are, it's still a very stronger level, and it's still showing a big rejection, because even if you go back like that, as you see it, guys, from here, last time we fell down from that zone here. Yeah, I don't want to go back and to bring it for you from far away like that. Yeah, just show you from here, from the present. What it's showing to you, guys? It's showing to you from that level here, we go back or we fall down. Now we are in it. It's need to be broken, guys, for us to know the market is going to go higher than that, guys. Or another story, from that level, as I told you, is going to give you here a double bottom, a double top, like that. Then that is going to indicating for us the market is going to fall down, guys. And I'm going to come back to you guys after the European market close. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So guys, here in the 4 hours, what else we said? Us we enter here exactly in that candle, that one here. So now us we are in a little bit of profit, but not that much. It's need to go higher, guys, and that was me. I told you maybe it's going to stay here sideways, then you're going to see it a little bit going higher. So when it's going to stay sideways here, it's going to give us another price action. As I told you, now it's giving us here a wage like that. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us here in that level. If we are going to stay sideways, then we're going to fall down, because there is a falling down is coming, guys, but not yet. So here in the 4 hours, there is nothing confirmed yet, guys. Now it's going to see our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when it enter here to the overbought, I told the people they enter with me in that channel here, that one here, I told them to take the profit, and that's what happened, guys. We take the profit here. Now it fall down when it touch in here. Also, we're thinking from here is going to fall down, but it doesn't. Look at it. It went upward again. Now we are here at that middle here. Now either from here is going to go higher, and here, as you see, guys, here, high, give you here a low. Let's hope that one, it will not be a high. Then after that, it's going to give us another low. That one is going to be the best scenario, guys. So let's wait and what's going to the market to give us. It's need to go higher again. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. But the good news, guys, here, us, we are here in the level where is the bulls, the controlling, guys, not how we used to be before, where is the bears, the controlling, guys. So here, the bulls, the controlling, guys. Even in daily, the same thing. So the Bitcoin, it will go higher, guys. That was how it's showing here in my indicator, guys. It's our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. The one here, guys, also we are here at the overbought area, as you see it. And we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. If we came like that, as you see it, we bring it from here, and all those times it's being touched. Same thing now. So we got two things, guys. First one, our indicator is that the overbought. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Price action, guys, show it to you now. I told you, it tried to give you here like a wage like that. Now either to come down to break, and it's going to give you here a double top. Then the Bitcoin is going to fall down, or from here is going to break up. So that one here is going to be just a resting, guys. And the Bitcoin will go higher than that. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring for us, guys. So here, now there is nothing confirmed. We need to wait in a little bit more. That's what my chart is telling me. I think everything is too clear, guys. And we got here, if you remember, I show you that one. I show you that thing here. I told you got here, a upper channel like that. Let's wait in what it's going to do. Either to come up to touch it up, then after that to fall down, or we will waiting, guys. And as I told you, the first target is it need to be here at 23k. Second one, it need to be up here at 25k, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you guys. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Yes, you. I know you don't. Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, please. It will not take you that much, my friend. Just pause the video, go down, write a comment, smashing the like button, and if you could even share the video in social media, it's not something very hard. And not a lot of people, they watching us, they are not subscribers, and they don't help in us. So please, if you find our content is valuable, also we don't ask you for money or something. We just ask you to smash the like button, my friend. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. That one me and make from it very nice profit. If you remember here, I told you I used to have here a wage. It's breaking here. Over here I take the profit. And here what did I told you? here in 30 minutes. I told you we got here a downtrend. When it's broken here, we need to enter long. It came here. When it take profit here in 30 minutes, and here what it giving us, guys. Look at it. It give you here a very, very clear triangle, guys, in 30 minutes. Should you enter short? It's our indicator. What it's saying, guys. Our indicator, where is it? Is it at the overbought area, guys? Yes or no? Now, if the one that wage here we draw in here, if it came and breaking down, we will enter short, guys, because our indicator, that's what it's telling us, guys. Yes or no? And we be in here. If you remember, we be in here at the oversold, and it give us here a double bottom. That's why we enter long, guys. All those things I showed to you in the previous videos, guys. Another thing, let me show it to you. That one here, guys, watch me, I told you, if you remember. I told you used to have here a divergence like that, if you remember. And it's been broken here. That way also we enter long, as you see it. But it doesn't touch the overbought area, guys. Yes or no? So it's might is going to come here to that level here in the middle. It's going to rest. Then after that, it's going to go till the overbought area, guys. So I think it's still more going up. But our other indicator, it's showing to us. That one, guys, it's showing to us. We are here. The overbought area. So all those people, they enter long because of that trend line when it's being broken here. Is the right time for you to take some profit. Then we're waiting for another opportunity, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.